The oval cut diamond is a stunning and elegant shape that blends the brilliance of the round cut with the elongated silhouette of an oval. Known for its classic beauty and sophisticated appeal, the oval cut features a rounded shape with an elongated body, giving it a flattering effect on the finger by creating the illusion of length and size. This cut has a high number of facets, which enhances its brilliance and sparkle, making it a favorite for those who want a diamond with both sophistication and fire. What makes the oval cut unique is its versatility and ability to stand out while maintaining a graceful, timeless appearance. It can look larger than a round cut of the same carat weight due to its elongated shape, offering more surface area. The oval cut also tends to be more durable, with fewer sharp edges, making it less prone to chipping. Oval cut diamonds are perfect for engagement rings, necklaces, or earrings. Their elegant shape works well in both modern and vintage inspired designs, making them an excellent choice for those looking for a diamond that's both timeless and unique. If you want to learn gems and jewelry export import business from India, join online master course. Visit amitmulani.com.